reach your hand. Okay. See what I'm doing? Put it here. Oh wow. Alright, so this. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes.
Okay. So now I have this. And this very easy. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see my face?
Yes.
Okay. So very easy. Go ahead. Go straight forward. Form the boards before we do reinforcement.
Okay.
Ensure that does not burst during casting. And then we have our 9 inches.
What is a toad doing here?
I wonder what it is. Should I walk?
Maybe he wants to learn work.
Okay, so this one. No, this one is not very square, but we're going to manage it.
Yes.
Since it's a structure, the substructure. Okay. Alright, so basically that is what we do. Quickly round it off with this one. We have the last one here.
And we are done.
Beautiful. So